This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by daofriend less than bedroom. BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01365152. Located close to the intersection of Nile River and MIDDLECAMP Road, making for easy access, circular concrete driveway. Single-level home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with spacious open floor plan and level topography. Large back patio area surrounded by the tall pines, close to both Upper and Lower Crystal Falls lakes, plenty of year-round recreation and activities in the local lakes and rivers, or explore the many mountain ranges in the area. Plenty of fun for all. A great single-family starter home. For more information, review the details below or contact daofriend less than bedroom. BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01365152 at 209-532-6993.